This time, a little extra speed into your roll-in.
Okay.
Okay? Big deep breath, give it a little more speed. Really bump those back wheels into your pump. That's it. Give it a big bump. That's it. Yeah, Mark.
Yes.
Yeah, dude. That was sick.
Oh yeah.
That was fantastic.
Right on.
Yeah, gnarly, huh? Yeah, that's a good roll-in, dude. Right here is our new spot. Our new spot is going to be each corner pocket here, okay? And both of these corner pockets allow a good spot to enter into a roll-in and then find a line into the bowl, okay? And we're going to do both, front side and backside, okay? I know it seems crazy.
It seems so crazy.
Okay, so the first way that we're going to do this is we're going to start backside first.
Okay.
Okay, backside's typically easiest for most people. You are regular.
Yep.
So you're gonna start over here. Start over here. You're gonna start right here on this little T on the ground. And exactly. And now look at the seam. So the seam right here, the seam comes along. Okay. And now I'm gonna put my skateboard on the ground. Right there. So you're gonna give it a tiny little push. This happens to roll downhill a little bit. You're gonna carve just a slight little amount and then bump your back wheels and into your roll-in. So analyze your roll-in.
All right.
You could do it. This is smaller than that. Yeah. And not only that, but the ramp actually pulls out longer because that part of this quarter pipe is taller. So see how it comes down?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It comes down.
Yeah. So it's actually, we're gonna work, this is how we're gonna work our way up to train you.
Okay.
So okay, you're gonna start right there, and you'll give it a push. Just like that.
Make it easy.
Try to hug and stay right next to my skateboard.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. Nice deep breath. Give it a push. Good, that's it. That's okay, work on that bump.
Satisfying.
Yep,
Okay.
work on that bump a little bit more.
All right.
If you need a little more speed, do that.
Okay.
Sometimes the speed helps increase the bump of the back wheels over the coping.
Okay.
Typically it does. Until you really get the hang of it. Good job, dude.
Not too bad.
Okay, try it one more time. Really want you to bump those back wheels.
Okay.
So give it a little more hop into your lean, into your pump.
Okay.
Remember, you got your knee pads on. You're doing fantastic. You haven't even used them yet. Okay?
Word.
You're doing awesome, dude. Right around the skateboard. Really give it a bump. That's better. That's better. Yeah, Mark.
Right on.
Good job, dude. Okay. Now, you did fantastic. Now we're gonna switch it up. So I want you to start. Now we're gonna switch it up. Now you're gonna go on the opposite side.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put my board here. And it's gonna be a little more of a front side roll in, okay?
Okay.
Because notice you're gonna do just a tiny little front side carve right here. Tiniest little front side carve, and then over the coping, okay? Dude, that was even better.
Felt great.
That one was even better. So you might be a frontside guy. You might like frontside even more than backside roll-ins. Okay?
Yeah.
Seriously. People typically have a side they prefer.
Yeah.
Go ahead, try one more time.
All right.
If you don't mind, I'm gonna move the board out of the way.
Yep.
Okay, keep that same line.
Sure.
Nice big deep breath. Okay. Good job, Mark. Dude, fantastic. Seriously. How'd it feel?
Great.
Good, dude.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so smooth into the transition. It's like, it really feels good.
Good, man. All right, next. Go around the skateboard.
Okay.
This time, a little extra speed into your roll-in.
Okay.
Okay? Big deep breath, give it a little more speed. Really bump those back wheels into your pump. That's it, give it a big bump. That's it. Yeah, Mark.
Yes.
Yeah, dude, that was sick.
Oh yeah.
That was fantastic.
Right on.
Yeah, gnarly, huh? Yeah, that's a good roll-in, dude. That's what it looks like from up here, so everybody can watch.
Feels much better being in the bowl than
Yeah. All right, hey, I'm gonna move this out of the way again.
All right.
So look at your crack line right here. Give yourself a measurement spot. Okay. Big deep breath. Big push. Woo! Awesome, dude. Awesome.
I can't believe you got me doing this. This is crazy.
Dude, you're killing it, man. What are you talking about? You're doing fantastic. Seriously. All right. Definitely coolest doctor I know.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna do it backside.
Okay.
Okay. And in order to do this, I want you to follow your seam again, cut in a little bit later, and try to copy that same angle that you just did front side.
Okay.
Okay. So what we're doing is we're working our way around the corner
Yeah.
into not only is it a higher transition, but it's also steeper.
Got it. Okay.
So how about do another one that feels good?
Okay.
Do whatever feels good right now, and then work your way
All right.
just to build some confidence. Remember, bumping those back wheels into your pump. Perfect. So much better.
So much. Yeah.
That's it. Hey, now you're really bumping those wheels and into your pump, and it feels good, right?
Yeah, it feels
It feels more
secure,
natural, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Okay, let's run that again. Same thing. And now I want you to aim a little more for right here.
Okay.
Okay. It should feel about the exact same, honestly.
Okay.
Okay. Big deep breath. Remember your push and get those feet set. Big push. That's it.
Yeah.
Dude, night and day difference from when we started this.
Yes.
Awesome, man.
Yes.
Seriously. Your commitment is epic.
Thank you. That's crazy.
It's kind of ridiculous, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. I know. Every time we skate together, you're stepping it up. That's sick, dude. It's hard to find people so committed.
Right on.
Like you really go for it.
Thank you. Man.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, I mean, you get me there. You know, you push me, so that's good. And you know what I can, and can't do.
Right.
So that's critical.
Awesome. Next little level here, we're gonna add to this one more time.
All right.
Except we're gonna back it up and go back into the mini.
Okay.
And I'm gonna teach you how to make a little fun line so that you can get to your goal, which is most people's goal, and that's gonna be able to like roll into a mini ramp and launch out the other side. We're gonna start in a similar spot where we were last time of the mini bowl. Okay.
Okay.
You're gonna thread the needle in between the coping. Okay. And pretty much I want you to run over the drain.
Okay.
And then carve into bumping your back wheels into your roll-in and then launch out on the other side.
Okay.
Okay. All right, Dr. Mark, go ahead, give it a big push. Get those feet set. If you need to roll up to it and stop, go ahead and do that first. Otherwise, you can give it a good push and go for it.
Okay.
Woo! So, a little early, right?
Yeah.
We can make that a little bit better, but way to commit to it. So let's get a little more of a hop into that bump of those back wheels, then tuck down into that pump, matching the distance of the ramp as you land into the transition. Big pushes. That's right. Get a little earlier carve, big bump. That's it. That's it. Fantastic, dude. Fantastic.
That little bend and hop is so helpful.
Yeah, the bend and hop is the ticket into bumping the back wheels. I'm gonna get one more of those from right here. That's right. Good job, dude. Fantastic. Yeah, dude. Good job, man.
Thank you.
Next, do you think you can roll in right there, do the same thing? And instead of launching out over the coping, I want you to kind of ride over that hip and float over the hip a little bit, or pump over the hip.
Okay.
Think you can do that?
Can try.
Okay.
Any particular angle you suggest for the approaching the hip?
Just right when you roll in, right when you roll in, you kind of want to just go halfway. Okay. Just go halfway, let the legs be loose. Just kind of ride over it at first.
Okay.
Remember to tuck into your pump as you go over the hip.
Okay.
Nice deep breath, big pushes, get those feet set. Commit to you bumping your back wheels. That's it. That's it. Good, Mark. Easy?
Surprisingly, I really think that your suggestion has helped me so much, just to like
Take those bottom washers off?
just to take things at an angle. It's just so much more comfortable. It doesn't like throw you so much, you
Ah,
know?
okay, cool.
Yeah, I think that helps a lot. It sort of just, yeah, it absorbs a lot. Just feel less sketchy.
I think having loose trucks helps too.
Yeah,
Like, it allows your trucks to conform to the ramp when you land into it.
right.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna totally like slide out, you know, but it worked, I guess.
Perfect.
Somehow.
It's awesome. Give me another one of those.
All right.
Woo! Come on, Dr. Mark, you can get it, dude. So how about over the black spot right here?
Okay.
Okay. Try to go around the drain this time.
Okay.
I think that'll help you. Make a little more straighter shot in over the coping.
Sounds good.
Big pushes. That's it. That's it. Good job, dude.
Right on.
Seriously.
Thank
So,
you.
around the drain felt better?
It did. Actually, yeah, it helped a lot. I mean, the setup was perfect. for-
Exactly. Yeah. So it allows you to straighten out, so that
Yeah.
you can straighten out and kind of have a little more confidence, knowing that both wheels are going to bump the coping at the same time.
Yes.
That way you don't feel like you're bump the coping and you're floating diagonal over the ramp.
Yes, yeah. For sure. Right.
Big deep breath. Do it. That's right. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's go backside now. So we'll start over here a little bit more.
All right.
And for this, I'm gonna actually have you roll in on this quarter pipe right here. So anywhere right here, you'll roll in, and then you'll get a nice carve right after the hip. For this, you want to roll kind of parallel with the coping, maybe about 3 feet away from the coping.
Okay.
Then carve in, then bump your wheels. Almost.
Didn't really get the hop.
Yeah.
Was the line okay?
The line was perfect.
All right.
But yep, work on that hop, really bump those back wheels. Make it feel safe and secure.
Yeah.
And that's gonna happen from those back wheels, bumping that coping and kicking your board up into your feet. Much better, dude.
Right on.
So much better.
Right fun.
Yeah, dude. Night and day difference right there, right?
Yes.
This time, get your roll in and then carve right here. Awesome. Yeah, dude, you've rolled in on almost the whole park.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, man. Dude, awesome job on your roll-ins today.
Thanks, brother.
Yeah, good to see you, Dr. Mark.
You as well. Appreciate you.